There's no better person to honor when it comes to integrity than Lester Holt. Integrity is, at the heart of it, is really all about honesty and having strong moral principles, and that's exactly who Lester is.
Everything that Lester does is a reflection of his integrity. He is always determined to get it right and always determined to be truthful, tough but fair. That's how I think of Lester.
If there's one thing about Lester, other than his kindness and his brilliance, is that he oozes integrity. It's who he is. He is the most trusted man, as far as I know, in America.
He is a journalist. He is always striving to get it right, to always be truthful and honest. And you see that on display in all of his work, but what you see most is his compassion.
Lester is kind. Lester is so intelligent. Lester is, honest and hardworking, and always wants to kind of get to the bottom of every story.
The reason that Lester elevates all of his reporting is because of his integrity. He's a hero in the world of criminal justice reporting for telling stories of people who never have their voices heard.
Lester is so engaged in the editorial of everything at Nightly News and everything that airs on Nightly News that in really important moments, he reaches out to correspondents like myself to give us editorial guidance. And that just makes all of the difference. He is simply one of the best journalists on earth.
Lester sits right above my shoulder all the time because, to me, he is the epitome of trust and integrity. And it's been the honor of my lifetime, the honor of my career, to be able to work so closely with him. It's a gift.